welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel and Hunting Cars Online. Today we are going to be looking at the Hyundai 2023 Elantra. And we're going to see what it has to offer. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to be building the Elantra SE to start with. That starts at 20,500, and we have red, we have the black, we have silver, we have gray, we have white, and we also have blue. I'm probably just going to go with a dark gray for right now, I think. Interior option, you have black or you have gray. It looks like we are looking at cloth seats to begin with. Drivetrain, you have the option of a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine with smart stream intelligent variable transmission technology, or you have the other one. So this one has a SULEV versus a IVT. I'm not sure what the difference is on that. They don't give you an option to look up the info. What is that? I'm gonna look this up here. Okay, so apparently that is like supposed to be like super low emissions vehicle. Engine looks exactly the same, so I'm not sure what the difference is, but we'll just go with this option, which doesn't cost any more just to do that. Because I have no idea what exactly that means when I'm looking at the same exact engines here. I mean, they're identical, other than whatever this means. So that's odd. I don't know what's going on there. That's kind of interesting. Alloy door sills, wheel locks, cargo net, reversible cargo tray, carpeted. Interior light kit, go ahead and just add that. Mudguard, sure. Preferred accessory, rear bumper. Winter weather package, or all weather package, honestly. And that's it. That is all they got in here for us to look at, and that's just $22,240. That's not many options, but I mean, not bad, I guess. Interesting. Alright, we're going to look at the SEL, see if there's anything of interest in here. We have the same color options, we'll just leave it on red here. Looks like we have slightly different interior options. Looks like we might have upgraded to some leather. We'll just go with the black for right now. Same engine options that don't make any sense without... This just doesn't have any explanation. I'm not sure what that means. Convenience package. We actually have info here. We have a 10.25-inch touchscreen, 17-inch machine finish alloy wheels, 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster, electric parking brake, wireless charging pad, heated outside mirrors, dynamic voice recognition, forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian, cyclists, and junction turning detection, smart cruise control with stop and go, leather wrapped steering wheel shifter, and heated front seats. Let's see, does it change the wheels? Okay, it does. So we get some bigger wheels on there, but other than that, it doesn't do much. Yeah, we'll skip that. We don't need to spend money on that. We're fine. So basically, we're paying more for leather seats, I believe, is what this is adding. So we'll have the alloy door sills, reversible cargo tray, carpeted, interior light kit. That's nice to have. Winter, once again, mud guards, add that, and so that puts us at $23,670. If you opt into this, you're looking at $2,570. So that's what that's going to be doing. Heading over to the next trim, which is the Limited. Oh, here we go. This is interesting. So here we go. 147 horsepower engines. That's what we're looking at with the 4 cylinders. That's what's going on there. Color options have remained the same, not much change there. We'll just leave it on red for right now. We have the different interior. Looks like we have like the perforated leather interior, so you have the fans in the seat. So we'll go with the black. We have the same engine option. We'll just go with this one because As I said, I don't know what the difference is. It doesn't make any sense to me. Alloy door sills, obviously go with that. Of course, cargo nets. No, don't need that. Reversible cargo tray, interior light kit, winter, etc. Mud guards. Basically what's changing here is obviously the different seat types. We can go back to the trim and see what's changed. You're getting the touchscreen standard, you're getting the parking collision avoidance assist standard, you're getting the leather trimmed seat standard, your dynamic voice standard, interior features. Not sure what's happening right now. That was odd. So don't press on that. So going over here, the SEL, you're getting the 30 city, 40 highway, 34 combined there. Okay, they're bad at showing information here. I'm not sure what's going on. There we go. Now we're free of whatever was happening there. I'm not sure what's going on with the website. That seems a bit odd. But anyways, you get like the SE, you get the wireless Android, Apple CarPlay standard, blind spot collision avoidance standard, forward collision avoidance standard, 8-inch color touchscreen standard, and then 16-inch alloy wheels, BlueLink connected car system, proximity key, hands-free, etc. All that's coming standard. So that's basically all that's changing. So not a whole lot. You can probably just get away with the SE or the SEL and be fine without having to do the limited, honestly. Let's go back to and change the model here for a second, because we're going to look at the Elantra N. Let's take a look at this guy. So the Elantra N, only one trim option. That's the high performance Elantra. You get 25 miles to the gallon combined, 22 city, 31 highway. Decent. You have the light sport bucket seats. Nice. You have the corner carving differential, the ELSD, nice. 276 horsepower out of the turbocharged GDI 4-cylinder engine, electronically controlled suspension, and variable exhaust valve system. Nice. Interior looks decent there. Features. Okay, do not press on that. I don't know what is happening, but it does not like those buttons for whatever reason. We have the, look at that. Nice little decal right there. Phantom Black, Cyber Gray, Performance Blue, Ceramic White, and the Intense Blue. Nice. I'd probably go with the Intense Blue myself, but that's really nice. Let me see what options we get. We get the black leather trimmed. Let's see here. Ooh, look at that seat. Nice design there. Okay, that's a winner. I like that. Okay, so what do we have here? 6-speed. Oh, we got to go. I'm pretty sure we need to go with this because I don't think I can drive that. So, wet dual clutch transmission. I'm thinking that's what we're going to want right there. Wheel locks, cargo set, cargo tray, preferred rear bumper. Okay, we don't really need any of that, so that's going to make things a little bit cheaper. But that is about it. That's not really any more options going on there. I wish there was like a different wheel option, but other than that, it looks good. A nice looking car right there. Like it. Okay, so head on back to the trim here. Alright guys, so there we go, the Elantra N. It looks pretty decent. Definitely like it. Overall, probably honestly just go with that trim. That's probably the best option I've seen. Any of the other low options, the SC, probably be fine. Probably don't have to go necessarily up to limited and stuff other than the leather seats, but the N looks very, very good. It has its own unique style, and performance-wise, sounds like it's a pretty good deal. So, anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we will see you guys here next time on the Combustion Guys. Let us know what trim you would like on the Elantra, whether it be the N or one of the others, and we'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.